Hello everyone, my name is Gifty and welcome to my channel, The There's Delight. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this lovely goat curry. So on the medium heat, we are going to toast our whole spices for about 5 minutes to release its natural oils and also intensify the flavors of our spices. And in my pan, I have some cinnamon sticks, some dried chilies, some fennel seed, some bay leaves, some peppercorns, and some cardamom. So as you can see, it's all cooled down and we are going to pound it in my mortar. If you don't have that, you can use your ground spice blender as well. And please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to put all the ingredients down below. So as you can see, we've pounded it and it looks like this, and I'm telling you, the flavor is so intense. So on a medium heat, I added some olive oil to my pan, and I'm adding some white onions as well. You can choose to use any onion of your choice, and oil as well. And I'm adding our ground spice which we made, and we are going to cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes till it's caramelized and brown. So as you can see, our onion has been caramelized, and now I'm adding my washed goat meat, and I'm adding some salt as well, and we're going to mix everything together and cook it for about 15 minutes. And caramelizing the onion also gives this curry an intensive flavor. So our goat meat has been cooking for about 15 minutes now, and I'm telling you, the flavor in this kitchen is amazing. So I added some chili powder, some turmeric powder, some cumin powder, and some all-purpose seasoning as well, some ginger paste, some garlic paste, and some green chilies, and some scotch bonnet as well. And we're going to mix everything together and leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. So as you can see, our goat meat has been cooking in our lovely spices and our onion, and I'm telling you, this curry goat is going to be delicious. And I added some curry powder, and I'm adding some fresh tomatoes as well. You can choose to blend your tomatoes and also use tomato paste as well. So you're going to mix everything together and add some warm water to start cooking the tomatoes. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to comment down below. Thank you. And look at that, our tomatoes has been cooking for about 25 minutes now. And look at our sauce, it's getting thickened. So now I'm going to add some yogurt as well to make sure our goat meat gets tender and juicy. And I'm adding some ground masala as well and some green chilies. And we're going to mix everything together and leave it to cook for about 15 minutes. As you can see, our goat curry is ready. You can see that when there is extra oil on top of your curry. And now you can have this with some rice, some naan bread, anything that you want. So I'm just garnishing it with some fresh coriander. And thank you to all my lovely subscribers for supporting the There's Delight. Bye bye.